you are doing well. So today I will be unboxing these two products that were sent to me from the brand called Umikk. But before we get started, a quick shout out to the featured comments on my last video. Thank you so much for commenting. So in this package, we have a matte top gel. We also have a base gel. And lastly, we have a top gel. And this is a no wipe top coat. And also you can see that this is a 10 ml, so this is a very generous size. And I like the design of the bottles as well. They kind of remind me of Makartt bottles, except Makartt is a little bit on the thinner side, and obviously the cap is a little bit different. So that is those three in that box. And then in this box, also I just want, these are the instructions on how to use the product, and then this is the back of the box for those three products. So let's move on to this pink box, and it comes with an information pamphlet, and it shows you how you can use the gel polish in this kit. So nice pictures and detailed wording on how to use the product, so that's very helpful for beginners. So in this 6-pack, it comes with 5 glitter color gel polishes, and there's no names to them, just a code, but it is nice to see that the color stickers are on top of these bottles. So this is a kind of pink purpley looking one, this is a blue one, or I should say light blue, and then this is the black that comes with this kit. So it is a chameleon kit, so you would firstly color with the black, and then you would overlay the glitter color gel polishes onto them. So I'm going to grab some swatch sticks, and I'm going to do half of the swatch stick with the black polish, and then the other half with just the glitter polish, so that you can see both effects of the glitter chameleon polish. So here is how that black polish is looking. So yeah, I can see that it has a little bit of sheerness to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this light purple looking glitter gel polish. And look at how shimmery that is. Beautiful. So again, I'm going to apply it to the swatch stick so that you can see how it looks against the black, and then as well as how it looks clear. So here is how it looks once it's been cured under the UV lamp. Here is how the second one looks, and it has like a blue purple shimmer to it. This one has a little bit of a green blue shimmer to it. This one is a very strong blue shimmer to it. And this last one has a little bit of green and blue shimmer to it as well. So these are all of the colors from Umikk. Thank you so much for sending these over to me to review. And now it is time to design my nails. Now, I did finally receive those XXL allegedly square tips from AliExpress that I ordered. Like I said, I ordered 3 bags of them. There is a total of 11 sizes that came in this package, and I just want to say these are not XXL. They are not. I know a previous subscriber did mention that she had ordered about 6 bags and that she was completely disappointed. So, and also I have all 3 of the sizes of the square. So I have the medium square, and I have the long square from the same vendor. So this is what their XXL is looking like, and the thumb actually doesn't fit me from sidewall to sidewall as well as the long square that I usually try to use in my videos. So this is the long square that I usually put on, and you can see that it fits sidewall to sidewall very well. Obviously the XXL is curved, but you can see that it's barely even an inch longer. So I'm not disappointed. I still like the size of this nail. You know, I think XXL should be like this size, like this long. That's what I was really hoping for. So anyway, let's move on to the nail design. First, I'm going to be applying foil glue using the foil glue method as my peel off base for these nails, and I'm going to allow this to self dry. While my nail is self-drying, I'm going to go ahead and move on to preparing to apply my nail tip. I'm going to be doing the APRES Dupe Method, and I'm going to be using my Modelones base gel as well as my Modelones clear polygel to adhere to my nail. So once the nail has been cured under the UV lamp, this is how it looks. I take my 100/180 file using the 100 side, and I just file around the cuticle area to make it look a little bit flush to my natural nail. I take the 180 side and file at the end of the tip, and then I buff to remove that shiny surface of the nail. Once that is done, I will dust away any excess dust. Use an alcohol wipe to remove any excess product, and then apply a layer of base gel. Once I have cured that base gel, I'm now ready to paint my nails, and I'm going to be using this beautiful pink gel polish from the brand Modelones. So after 2 layers of that pink gel polish and curing under my UV lamp, I'm going to take the matte top coat from Umikk and apply a layer of this, and then put this under the UV lamp. Now you can obviously stop right here and just enjoy your pink matte nails just the way these are, but obviously I want to push the limit a little bit with my creativity and add some nail art. So I'm going to go back and use the same black gel polish from Umikk, and I'm going to take a liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and draw some lines onto my nail. Once I am done drawing the lines and I have put my thumb under the UV lamp, now I'm going to go over those same lines, but this time we're going to be using one of the gel polishes, and I'm going to draw a line of that shimmery polish onto the black lines, and then also put that under the UV lamp. So the nails are done, they have been cured. So now it's time to add this beautiful foil transfer that I think I received from Charlie's Nail Art in one of my previous videos. So I'm going to take my foil glue and I'm just going to put it on an area of this nail. I don't want the foil design all over the nail. I just want it on a portion of the nail. And I'm going to allow this to self-dry clear. Once it self-dries clear, it should look something like this. And now you're ready to take a portion of the nail transfer and apply it to the nail. And what you want to do is just press down onto it nice and gently until it finally adheres to the foil glue. And gently just pull that foil transfer paper back, and there you should have it. It should come off nice and clean. Again, foil transfer works extremely well on a matte surface. So again, that's going to help you have a successful foil transfer. Now to finish this design off, I'm going to seal this all in by applying this regular no wipe top gel. And that is how the nail is looking. It's very cute, very creative. Here's how the other nails are looking. I went off camera to go ahead and apply the rest of the tips. And then I'm just going to go ahead with a second coat of the black gel polish because it actually has a underlying sheerness to it. And I guess it should have a sheerness since it's a chameleon. But I'm just going to put this under the UV lamp and then go over that black nail with the blue glitter polish that we applied to the stripes. So the same design that I did on my thumb, I'm going to do the exact same thing onto my ring finger, starting with drawing the lines, curing, and then adding the blue shimmer gel polish on top, and then curing and adding the foil transfer. So that nail is done. So moving on to my last two nails, I went and applied that blue shimmer directly onto the nail. So it has like a sheer look to it. So I'm just going to add some top gel to this. And then I'm going to be adding some rhinestone. I'm going to be using a mixture of horseeye and some pink flat back rhinestones that I got from AliExpress. Okay, so just putting the finishing touches on the rhinestone placement. I hope that it turned out okay for you, that it's not too busy. And this is the final look of the nail. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this style, and I will see you in the next video.